Welcome to the video explainers of the CEPOL Course Image 10. The course image is a template to support the 2018 residential training activities by CEPOL's online learning portal called eNet, what you see on your screen over here. By selecting courses, seminars and conferences, you will see the images of the courses you need to have access to. That is then either in your role as an activity manager, trainer or participant. Through the course image, CEPOL offers a blended learning environment where trainers and trainees benefit from the best from both face-to-face learning contexts as well as online learning resources and facilities. Access to the course image is provided to everybody involved in the course. Activity managers need to prepare the course with their trainers, defining its curriculum, learning activities, training resources, etc. They prepare the course image according to the training requirements and, following that, will enroll the participants. All access rights are customized to fit CEPOL's needs of an inviting, international learning environment which encourages sharing, knowledge building, networking and innovation. Course Image 10 offers an improved structure with better communication opportunities. We designed this following suggestions we received from activity managers, trainers and eNet managers from the EU member states who used the previous versions of the course image. The course image is divided into different sections. You see them on screen here. First, the announcement section as the key catalyst for learning and communication, which can be found at the top. Below that, follow the sections Preparation stage for activity managers, the pre-course stage in which participants will start to engage with the course stage, and finally at the bottom, the post-course stage. Next, in a separate block, additional resources can be found for learning and training, and that's over here. All elements of the course image in these sections and blocks are covered in separate explainer videos. The video explainers embedded in Course Image 10, and which are part of this video playlist, offer direct assistance to different elements of the course image and can be viewed at any time. These videos are part of a wider support package to activity managers and trainers. For example, more detailed background information about the course image that can be found in an online module called Course Image 10, which you can find over here. In addition, activity managers can always contact their eNet managers of their country or organization for further direct support. Note also that the course image is also accessible through mobile devices, which increases the possibilities of particularly participants to CEPOL courses to access their training resources and activities. I would like to wish you good luck with the preparation and implementation of your training activity and hope that these videos will help you in making your training a success.